butter from Aisa.
Ay!
Flora. It's not sponsored, but sponsored by Aisa. So first, we're gonna get some amount. Pwede ba itong ubusin? Ang hirap maging chef, guys. I have 2 pans, okay? So ito, ihanguin ko na dito, guys. Kasi luto na po yung pritong isda natin.
Let me see.
Yeah, this is so fried. See, it's so crispy. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Like me. Ay!
Sure, sure.
Then, the next batch will be the one. Ay, will be the one. Not to move away because it's gonna sprinkle. Sprinkle. This is the last batch because we are going to eat later. And now, I'm here in the next spot. I'm so stressed because then parang nasugahan mo yung butter. But
Okay lang
it's
yan,
okay,
uy.
overload.
Di ba tayo ma-artist?
Then, you're gonna put the onion. Onion ba to or garlic? Ay, that was garlic. This is onion. Okay, together na lang. Because this is shrimp. Garlic shrimp. Ay, garlic onion shrimp. With a butter. Butter, garlic, onion shrimp. Gago kayo. So, this time is my cooking vlog, no? It's been a long time that I haven't cooked. Is it true that we are putting Sprite in our dishes? Yes, it's 100% true because this is the secret ingredient except for the oyster sauce. Okay? I'm having a hard time explaining. Okay. So now you have to wait for the shrimp to become red. Ay, red.
Ay!
But you have to enlarge the fire. My English is not well because I am more fluent in Arabic. Okay? Malish. Nowadays, my Arabic is better than English. Okay? And I forget my Filipino language.
We both Pio, but English 101.
Okay, they just cut it. We will show them after.
Okay, true.
But I will put the Sprite first to make them believe that the Sprite is part of it all. Just not the full one, but just enough. Wow.
Alright, nice.
Okay. I-post ko na yun mamaya.